can listen to this audiobook from start to finish, or feel free to dip in, explore writers, and ignore entries. With luck, you will find yourself with a short list of books you want to read in full. Rhetoric. Aristotle, 4th century BC. Aristotle, often known as the father of Western philosophy, has a tendency to write dense texts that carefully categorize an area of knowledge. In this pursuit, he employs the careful precision of a librarian filing books away. One of his most interesting works, Rhetoric, also known as Ars Rhetorica, is a treatise on the art of persuasion. He broadly defines rhetoric as the ability, in any particular case, to see the available means of persuasion. The ancient Greeks had 3 ways of establishing possible or certain truth. Logic, which they thought could lead to certain